Okay guys, just wanted to make a quick video on this 2016 Honda Pilot. This is my wife's vehicle, and yeah, we were having trouble with the windshield wipers. They just keep running on their own. The switch ain't working. It won't control it. I know the kids play with it a lot, and yeah, I'm not sure if that's what happened or what. I just know we came out one day and windshield wipers just came on and by themselves and wouldn't stop. As soon as you turn the car on, they just run and run and run. So what I got here is a new switch to go on the steering column, and I'm really hoping this fixes it. But yeah, I couldn't find many videos on the newer Honda Pilots, so I guess as I do things on this Honda Pilot, I'm gonna be posting them on my channel. So hopefully this helps some of y'all guys out there. So here's what we got: tools you're gonna need: flathead and a Phillips screwdriver. And so we're going to start off by getting the cover off. I've already started, but I want to show you how I got here. To get this cover off, you're going to turn your steering wheel to the right, and there's going to be a little divot right there on the front of the cover right there where the space is on the front of the cover where you turn the steering wheel. There's an opening, a little divot in the cover. Take your flathead, pop that, turn your steering wheel all the way back to the left where you can get the opening. You'll see the divot in the cover about in this area. Pop that, and that'll pop this cover up. Now you're gonna have to like pull it forward and like mess with it a little bit, but that back lifts up, and then you're able to pull it out and set it up in the dash. And then you're gonna have, once you get to that point, you're gonna have these little Phillips head screws, and there's two you're gonna have to take out. One right there, another one right there. You're going to do the same thing with the steering wheel. Turn it a little to the right, unscrew it, and then turn it a little to the left, unscrew it. You'll set those to the side. Then, okay, so let's walk over this new switch we got here. So what we got here is there's a connector on the back side. There's a little tab on the connector you have to press. You'll press it, and then I had to use both hands, but use both hands, get back there and pull that out. Press it and pull out. Once you got that out, then I'll show you where I'm at. What we got here is you get that out, and there's two tabs. There's a tab on top and a tab on bottom, and those press in. And you're gonna press those in and pull it to the right, away from the steering wheel, and that will release it. Now the problem you're gonna have is it's gonna hit this right here, but what you want to do, hit this release down here. Hit the release down there. And the bottom cover, you can just push it down. It'll just push out of the way. You don't have to take it all the way out, so don't worry. But just press that release lever. Pull your steering wheel towards you. And it pulls right out, just like that. So that's the old one. We're going to throw that to the side. But before you hook up your new one, disconnect your battery. It's better to be safe than sorry. You don't want to fry your new switch on accident. These electrical components in these cars are really sensitive, and don't ask me how I know. I have fried a few myself. So yeah, guys, that's all you got to do. You're just gonna put that. You're gonna slide it back in. It'll snap in place. Put your connector back in and reverse engineer. That's all there is to it. So yeah, if you have any questions, hit me in the comments, and stay tuned for more newer Honda Pilot content. Thanks.